Hello traders. Today is the 8th of April 2011 and happy trading to you all. Frankfurt is now open, but London is not yet open. Okay, we know that Frankfurt will open 1 hour earlier than London. Be aware of Frankfurt. Okay, now this video is about trading the market and hotspot trading zone. Okay, now before we go on with the subject of hotspot trading zone and trading the market. Okay, now I want to say something very important that traders tend to forget very often. Okay, the market does not trend all the time, especially for those who are day trading. Okay, now if you want to test a trading system, okay, now you have to know when is the best time to test your trading system. Okay, suppose you are testing, okay, a trading system in a consolidation period. Okay, you have to note down that at that particular point you are not likely to have a strong movement of the price. So this won't be a best place to test a trading system, because in my previous video I talked about the difference between a trading robot and a trading system. Okay, and also how you trade a trading system. Now the mistake that traders are making is that they are trading a trading system like a trading robot. Do not get into that kind of behavior at all. It's a two different thing. A trading system will empower the trader, which means you are looking, you understand something. Okay, you understand the system and you are putting the system into practice. Okay, so now during a console, you know that the market does not trend all the time. So here the market did trend from here up to this level here, and then there was a consolidation period here. So you will know that this is a low volatility period, what we call a balanced market. Not much movement in this session here. So suppose you are testing, okay, some kind of a trading system during this period. Is it the best time to test a trading system? Or if you are testing it here, you should acknowledge that this was not, okay, a trending period. Okay, that the system, you can compare, you can see that this is the performance of this trading system during a consolidation period, but you acknowledge also that this is clearly a consolidation period. And then there was a trend here. You will notice that the price did trend very fast here, so you will have a lot of pips during this period. So you will acknowledge that this was a trending period, and this is the performance of your trading system during a trending period. One of the stable data that the traders forget is that the market will trend, the market will pause, and the market will trend again. If you are trading, whether you are day trading or you are swing trading, and you forget this simple stable data that the market will trend, the market will consolidate, and the market will trend again, if you forget that, you are missing something very important, very important. So the first question you ask in the morning, like we said before in a previous video, is that which market are we in now? Okay, this question is so important. So you look at which market you are in, which market pattern are we in now. Okay, this is a trending market now. This was a consolidation market here. So this is just a quick reminder to traders, okay, to know exactly what's going on in this market. Okay, so the market was consolidating here, now it starts trending here. We are looking at the weekly chart of crude oil. Okay, now we want to talk about hotspot trading zone on this crude oil. Before I continue, I will say to you that the euro USD, okay, in most cases, not always, okay, in theory and in most cases, okay, very often we go in the same direction like the crude oil. The crude oil is another thing that we call the market indicator. The professionals are watching crude oil all the time. So if you are swing trading, okay, if you are day trading, if you want to trade like professional trader, if you want to adopt the mindset of a professional trader, okay, you must pay attention to crude oil. It's a market indicator. So you will see that at this point in time when the crude oil was consolidating, this is not a best time to use a trending strategy. So you will be busy using consolidation trading methods during that time, looking for candidates that fit into this kind of market pattern of up and down. Now crude oil start trending, into the upside, you will be busy only looking for candidate that you can trade to the upside. You will not be able to sell because the crude oil is going up. You will be busy instead, okay, to look for candidate that you can buy. That's how you will perfectly use any trading system that allow you to swing trade together with this knowledge, okay, of understanding the market indicator. Okay, on this chart I want to show you the hot spot trading zone of crude oil. We see that the price went down, okay, very fast from 2008 to 2009, okay, and from here the price did stop here and turn around. This is a hot spot trading zone because the main thing you need to remember regarding a hot spot trading zone, that at a hot spot trading zone, there are traders that will exit the trade and a new trader will enter the trade at that particular zone. So at a hot spot trading zone, there's a high probability that you may see a high volume, okay? So if you locate clearly, okay, because some traders are so obsessed with the volume, okay, but if you can, but in my view, the price is the #1 indicator. If you pay attention to the price, okay, you will locate the high volume zones because people are looking at something first before making decision to come and place their trades, and then you see high volume. The hot spot trading zone will attract, okay, high volume. Okay, it's not the other way around. It's not the high volume that will create the hot spot trading zone, but it's the hot spot trading zone that will attract traders, okay, to exit and to enter a trade, and that will create the high volume. So when you locate a valid hot spot trading zone, you are likely to be in a high volume zone also. Okay, so at this point in time, traders that were selling the crude oil exit the trade here. New trader that knew that this level now the support zone bought it here. This is a conjunction, a hot spot trading zone, a high volume zone. You see, so this hot spot trading zone has attracted, okay, a high volume, and the price turn around here at this hot spot trading zone. Okay, at this hot spot trading zone, trader exited the trade and other trader entered the trade. They open a new position here, okay, and the price continued the movement to the upside, okay, to this level here. But you can see clearly that this crude oil, there was a channel here. Pay attention very carefully, okay. This level where my cursor is, this is the top of the first channel down to this level here. That's the first channel here, okay. From this level here, if you like, I draw the line from this level up to this level here. This is our first channel. As soon as the price went out of the channel, we project the channel to the downside. Okay, this is simple. See here, try to turn around here. This was a hot spot trading zone. Okay, the upper level of a channel and the lower part of a channel is a hot spot trading zone also. So at this point in time, the Dow Jones fell, the crude oil, not Dow Jones, the crude oil fell to find a support here as he tried to turn around and come back below the hot spot trading zone. Okay, you see here, very important. Some traders that were trying to buy here have to exit their trade, and new traders came in and sold it down. Okay, so we will project this channel, the first channel from here to this level, we'll project it to the other side, which will bring us somewhere in this zone here. Okay, if you allow me that to do that. Okay, so we can draw the channel here. So the first channel was here, from here to this level here, price came out, we project it to the other side, which brings us here. You see, so as soon as the price came out of this zone again, this was a hot spot trading zone. Okay, we will project again the channel to the downside, which brings us somewhere again here where the price did the turnaround. Okay, so you see that the price has a pattern, clear pattern. This channel from here to here, it came out, we project it again from here to here, it came out again, we project it from here, and it turned around here. This is a hot spot trading zone. All this level of the channel are hot spot trading zone, and as you can see, the crude oil is approaching again a hot spot trading zone. That's why we say to you at this point in time, if you are buying, okay, if you are very bullish, be cautiously bullish because you are approaching a hot spot trading zone. If you locate or you understand clearly what we mean by the hot spot trading zone, you will trade and enjoy your trade because Not only that, you will respect the hot spot trading zone instead of trading anyhow and making your decision anyhow. And you will also know where you are likely to take profit, okay, where other traders are likely to enter the market, where other traders are likely to exit the trade. So we are approaching, okay, okay, a hot spot trading zone. It's like you are driving with a high speed and you are approaching a traffic light. This is a kind of a traffic light here, okay. So when the price trending is fast, okay, high volatility, okay, high volume, you see the price now approaching a hot spot trading zone. We must slow down, which means being a very cautious trader, okay, at a hot spot trading zone, which means these people who were buying here are likely to exit the trend, and maybe we may have a new trader that will come into the market and then start selling, okay. So you must locate the hot spot trading zone. So this was a hot spot trading zone, okay. This level here was a hot spot trading zone, okay, which was the lower part of the first channel that I show you. This again here was a hot spot trading zone, even though we didn't see too much activity here because it was a bearish season, okay. No one exited the trade at this point, okay. People were still in the market. We have, in fact, what has happened at this hot spot trading zone was that more sellers joined the previous seller and they continue to sell, okay. They did not exit the trade at this hot spot trading zone, but they continue to, they keep their position open, and more sellers came into the market and sold it down, okay. And we came to this level here and the traders exit their trade, okay. This is a hot spot trading zone. So this was a hot spot trading zone. This level here is a hot spot trading zone where the price, the high, okay, the high at this point in time was a hot spot trading zone. We'll mark it on our chart, okay. As you can see, this was a hot spot trading zone which has been confirmed by the price. You see the price was going up as soon as it was approaching this hot spot trading zone, even though here you may not accept that it was a hot spot trading zone, but it was a hidden hot spot trading zone, because if you know the strategy of projecting a channel, you will know that this place was a hot spot trading zone. But when the price started going back up here, you see that the traders exit their trade near the hot spot trading zone. That's why the price came back below here. But the middle line of the channel also a hot spot trading zone. As you can see here, the middle line of this channel, the channel from here to this level here, again from here to this level here, the middle line is somewhere here. So when the price was going up, okay, you see first time it was coming near this middle line, people exit the trade. That's why the price tried to go horizontal, okay, before going above it. And then when it was approaching this hot spot trading zone, people exit their trade again, and a new sellers came into the market and they sold it down where they came to near another hot spot trading zone, which is the middle line of the channel, and they bring it up again. Trader exit the trade again at a hot spot trading zone. Price try to go down, more buyer coming. You see a hot spot trading zone. This line here, you see it's a hot spot trading zone. And if you pay attention carefully, the middle line of this channel here, this channel from here to this level here, okay, the middle channel, you see, from here to this level here, the middle line is somewhere here, okay, where I'm drawing, moving my cursor now, was a hot spot trading zone. Look what's happening here. People exit again their trade, okay, at this point in time. You see the price was going up, and again the middle line of that channel is here. People exit their trade again at this hot spot trading zone. This is about crude oil, trading the market, okay, and also locating and recognizing hot spot trading zone, and how you can trade when you are approaching a hot spot trading zone. The hot spot trading zone of this crude oil is now in the region of let's say in the region of 113.08, okay. So crude oil is approaching this level of 113.08, okay. We are now approaching this level of 113.08 for crude oil. This is a hot spot trading zone that we are approaching. As I said it before, if crude oil is going up, the Euro USD has a high probability also to continue the movement to the upside, okay. The Dow Jones has a high probability to follow crude oil to the upside, okay. The Nasdaq had a high probability to continue the movement to the upside. So when we see the crude oil consolidating, okay, we know that the market also has a high probability to go into consolidation. A high probability, not certainty. in most cases. This is the theory, and this is usually will happen. You'll see this will happen very often, and the professional will pay attention to that. Professional will keep their eyes on crude oil all the time when they are trading. So when they see crude oil going up, they are busy buying the Euro USD, busy buying the Dow Jones. But sometimes you may see clearly Dow Jones doing something different and crude oil also doing something different. So do not just go and follow crude oil anyhow. Okay, this is not to trade blindly, but to trade smartly. Okay, so we see now that the importance of the hotspot trading zone, and we know that the upper side of a channel is a hotspot trading zone. Okay, the lower part of a channel is a hotspot trading zone. The middle line of a channel is a hotspot trading zone, and the price is always respecting the hotspot trading zone. And we know that at a hotspot, at a valid hotspot trading zone, traders are likely to exit their previous trade, and new traders are likely to open a new position. This was a hotspot trading zone. This was a hotspot trading zone. This was a hotspot trading zone. Okay, and this here was a hotspot trading zone. This was a hotspot trading zone. As you can see, the price is respecting all the hotspot trading zone. We are now approaching another hotspot trading zone for this crude oil. This is about trading the market and locating clearly a hotspot trading zone. I hope you enjoyed this video also, that you will put into practice in order to cream the market consistently. Thank you for watching, and speak to you very soon. We are the TSTWSYS 008 traders.